Looking forward to making the finals and winning it for the first time ever.
And Congolese pugilist Bam Bam Batombe has warned his Ugandan opponent Kenneth Lukyamuzi ahead of the 10-round East and Central African middleweight title contest set for October 10th this year in Nairobi. Davis Mbelia visited him in training and filed his story.
At the Bodyfield Gym in Eastleigh, Nairobi, Congolese international boxer Bam Bam Batombe is leaving nothing to chance. Batombe is sharpening his arsenal, ready to unleash his hard-hitting punches against Kenneth Lukyamuzi of Uganda in a 10-round East and Central African middleweight title contest set for October 10th, 2025 at the Age Convention Center in Nairobi.
Niko sawa na ngoja tu Lukyamuzi. Na ngoja kumaliza hata akikuja mna gani. Hata akikuja mna gani ataacha before time.
Ako sawa, kuna speed sana. Ako sawa.
The hard-hitting Batombe is fresh from victories in Uganda and Congo in June and July 2025 respectively, where he stretched his career to 12 wins from 13 fights.
Game yangu ya kwanza ilikuwa huko Kenya, ilikuwa 2022. Nilipigana na jamaa mmoja anaitwa Daniel Lyosh. Nilipiga round ya kwanza.
I believe in my brother Lucien is going to knock out that guy in the first round. Maximum maybe the third round.
Batombe's technical team fully understand the taunting task ahead of them, but they have declared it will be a war in the ring.
Kumi yote itakuwa ya moto. Mimi nafanya sparring sana. Kuanzia mwanzo hajafanya mtu mwingine, tulifanya watu watatu, mimi na huyu na wengine hawako hapa. Atapigwa sana.
Batombe and Lukyamuzi will be the main fight of the 7-card bout night.
Hata ukikuja mna gani utatulia.
Davis Mbelia, KTN Sports.
Declan Rice scored his first goal of the season before Bukayo Saka added a second.